Hi all, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about the range function in Numpy. It is nothing but a method to generate one-dimensional Numpy arrays, very similar to Python range function. So first of all, we will import the Numpy library. So import Numpy as NP. Then the command is np.range, then open the parenthesis and give the start point of the element and the end point of the element. So we'll just see the code in actual NumPy array so that we will understand it better. So np.range, then start point I'm giving 1 and the end point 20. So let's see what it generates. It generates a one-dimensional NumPy array, start from 1, 2, 3 up to 19. Suppose if I'm giving a different start point, so np.arrange start point I'm giving 15 up to end point 24. What will happen? It will take a start point of 15 up to 23. Suppose I am giving only one input. For example, instead of 2, np.arrange, and I'm giving one input. One input means only 20 I'm giving. So let's see what will happen. So it actually taken this 20 as the end point, and start point by default it gives 0. That means it start from 0 up to 20. So the next is a third parameter inside, it is step. Nothing but we can. Suppose here the step is every element, in between every element the step is 1. Suppose I need a different step. Instead of 1, I need 2, 4, 6 or 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, something like that. So we can give the step as well. So how it is np.arrange, start point is 20 or end point is 35, and I need a step of 2. So what will happen? It starts from 20. Every step of 2 it will take 20, 22, 24 and 26. Or we can say np.arrange, I starting from 1 up to 35, a step of 5. So you can see 1, 6, 11, 16. Every step of 5 it will take up to 35. So similarly, we can give the data type also. For example, here actually the elements created are integers. If we want to give a data type of float, so we can use np.arrange of 1 up to 35 up to 5. The 5 is a step. Then a fourth parameter d type, data type is equal to float. So what will happen? The data type is created is float instead of an integer. Or if we want, we can create an integer also. So we can give np.range. The same thing, data type is int. If you give, the integer will create. Or there is one more method to create the data type into float. For example, instead of giving a data type, we can give a float in the step value. For example, I'm creating np.range 1 to 25, sorry, 1 to 10, and I'm giving a step of 2.0. The step is given in the form of float. Then the output will be, the step will be in the form of float only. So instead of giving this data type float, we can give the step also in the float format. So we will give get the output in float format. Or we can specifically given the data type as well, float, or we can give integer.